The half-life of 198 AU is 2.7 days. Calculate the decay constant, the average life, and the activity of 2 mg of 198 AU. Take atomic weight of 198 AU to be 198 gram per mole. So the half-life is given, which is 2.7 days. So we need to calculate decay constant. So lambda is equal to 0.693 by half-life. So what we get? Lambda is equal to 0.693 by 2.7 days. We can convert into seconds. So by simplifying, 0.693 by 2.7 into 86,400 seconds per day. So finally we will get lambda value as 2.9 into 10 power minus 6 per second. So lambda value we calculated. Now we need to calculate average life. So T mean is equal to 1 by lambda. So 1 by 2.9 into 10 power minus 6. So let us convert this in terms of days. So what we can write, 1 by 2.9 into 10 power 6 will be in seconds. If you want to convert into per day, so we have to divide with 86,400. So the final value will get 3.9 days. And we also need to calculate the activity of 2 grams. So for that we need to know number of nucleus. So N is equal to Avogadro number times mass of the given element by atomic weight. So Avogadro number is 6 into 10 power 23 and mass is 2 gram by 198 gram. So by simplifying, what we get, 6.06 into 10 power 18. So we need to calculate activity. Activity is equal to n lambda. So n is 6.06 into 10 power 18 into lambda is 2.9 into 10 power minus 6. So the activity value we get is 17.6 into 10 power 12 disintegrations per second. Or if you want to convert into Curie, we can divide this value with 3.7 into 10 power 10. 3.7 into 10 power 10. So we will get 480 Curie.